Heimdale, down. So I just actually taught him to leave the food. So Sasha's there, she knows what to do. All right. And he did really well. I mean, it took a little while and, a few scratches on my hand, but that's okay. Now, leave it. So you can see the food there, and he's looking at it now. Good boy! Sasha does it anyway, I'll give it to her. Look at that. Okay. So, when I first started, obviously, he was doing anything he can to get that piece of food there. But now I've told him leave it, and he's just realised if he leaves it, he'll get his treats. Isn't that right, buddy? Yes! You're doing very well now, and he's not snatching. Ah, you sneaky boy, see? Okay, so it takes a lot of repetition, but that's alright. Leave it. Right, this is what happens. So we do this. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Good boy. Leave it. See? So if he leaves that one, good boy. The moment he snaps that one up, then we don't give him any more treats, okay? You're doing very good now. Very good now. See? You're on your Sasha. Another one there. Leave it. So there's two pieces there. Sasha won't take it. Wow! You're doing very good, Heimdale. I really like it. Very good. Very good. Okay, there you go. We don't snatch. Okay, good. Very good. Leave it. Wow! Look at that. There you go. There you go. Well, I think that's enough treats now. Look at that. Gonna leave it.